So look at the combs we invested. They are all full of honey, all capped. And man, this thing is saving. This one got broken yesterday. This one, but look, as you can see, they are honey in there. There are more things. Check this one out. All fully capped. So that's the secret. If you want to do, look at it, all fully capped. Look at it, all fully capped. So that's the secret. If you want to transfer bees, you just pick up this frame with combs in it, and then you place it in the new hive which you want to transfer the bees into. It's that simple. It's not hard. Then you shake off the bees from the old box. As you can see, look at the box which the first one. This is the box that was burnt halfway. So we dismantled it and transferred the bees into it. And this is the second one that fell over in the picture. So I'm going to allow the bees settle down, and later in the day I'll come to extract it.